All right, welcome back to Tuesday with Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Vinny.
I'm Dylan. Today we're going to kind of revisit a look at crypto and how, I don't know, we might have been wrong here because there's a lot of people making a lot of money and we are not for crypto. So we're going to kind of revisit that.
All right, if you guys like this entertaining stock market content about two super guys trading stocks and learning about investing in personal finance, by all means, give us a like and subscribe below. We'd love to have you guys along this adventure. With that, we'll get to it.
Two stupid guys trade stocks.
I love it, man. That is a pretty sexy number right there. 435% up in the last year.
Yeah, you know, they didn't set all-time highs this weekend, but I mean, I feel like it's inevitable, right? They're very, very close. I think the high was 63. They hit 62.
Yeah.
So,
well, I don't know if you got it in here, but what's like the major news story this week about crypto?
that's in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, but yeah, very interesting. All right, we'll get to it.
So this was one stat I found because I'm thinking of like, you know, how many millionaires are created by real estate versus stock market versus crypto? Because before, like in the first crypto boom, like was it 2015 to 16? There's definitely like some that then like went on being like, yeah, it's going to come back up, all this stuff. I've been very bearish on this. I know you have as well because it truly doesn't make any sense. Not the Bitcoin aspect, just to be clear, the crypto, and I'll get into that. So some 40% of millennial millionaires surveyed have more than 25% of their wealth in cryptos. More than a third of millennial millionaires have at least half their wealth in crypto. That is direct from CNBC.
Yeah.
Obviously, we are kind of a Burry channel. We both really respect and love his investment strategies. So he put up on Twitter, you know, I haven't done this before. How do you short a cryptocurrency? Is there a short rebate? Can the position be squeezed and called in volatile situations? I'm going to say definitely not. If you've ever talked to Robinhood's customer service, I'm going to say you're going to be out for a week on that one. So
yeah, good luck.
Go to the next these. He's got a couple of these. It's basically saying he personally thinks Bitcoin's worthless. He doesn't necessarily want to be the one that stands for that. I actually don't think Bitcoin's worthless. I think the other million cryptos are. Should be very clear. I think Ether and Bitcoin have a place.
Well, this quote is from Jamie Dimon, and he's just quoting Jamie Dimon. You know what Jamie Dimon is?
Yeah, well, so he put up top. It doesn't make a difference to me either, but he is compelled, as if maybe he was the spokesperson.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. This is another funny one. This is a little scary. I saw this tweet. I was like, whew.
Yeah, I'll let you do this one. You said this.
So this talking about how $7.1 trillion of market cap is tied to stocks that hold crypto. That's interesting. Like, so, you know, obviously a big chunk of that is Tesla. You know, that's like right there is like 10% of it. You know, but the point here is that there's a lot of money tied to this asset class. And yet, you know, when they look at like this actual board survey, only 79 out of 6,500 people said that they had like expertise in crypto. So there's a lot of people investing or highly betting on something that they truly don't understand. And that, to me, if I don't understand it, I just walk away. But they're putting a lot of money behind something that they don't understand per se.
Yeah, but it is working, which is crazy.
Yeah.
So this is the new Dogecoin. Burry also tweeted against this. It's the Shiba Inu price. Yeah. So I actually haven't heard of this before like the last month. I didn't realize that they took off in May 2021, peaked and then died, and now they're coming back again. I did not know that.
No, I did actually.
That's absolutely crazy. So we're going to go into basically, actually the next slide has it. On Coinbase, it says it as well, but there's 1 quadrillion seconds is about 32 million years. 1 quadrillion days is 2.7 trillion years. He's talking about Shiba Inu because they have 4 quadrillion coins. It was interesting because he got a lot of tweets back of people saying that like he didn't understand the stuff and there wasn't 4 quadrillion coins. But on Coinbase, it says there's 3 3.9 or 394, I don't know, 3.9 quadrillion coins.
Okay.
Or something. One coin, I don't know. There's a lot. There's a lot of coins. So
it's like arguing that every like hair on my arm has like a value, you know, because there's just a lot of them. So
it's just crazy. I don't understand how it can ever increase in price.
Exactly. This was a great one.
Yeah, I'll let you do this one.
As the joke is, he's like, you know, you're not going to get an easier kind of riddle out of me than Troy Polamalu here, you know, shilling this Head and Shoulders shampoo, which is fantastic shampoo. Okay, I'm not going to knock the shampoo. And Troy Polamalu was a great football player, but basically saying that he thinks Bitcoin is in a Head and Shoulders pattern. I don't know. You know, it's interesting. I don't know. You're more the technical guy. Do you think Bitcoin's like in a Head and Shoulders pattern?
Well, the problem is it's really impossible to say it's in a Head and Shoulders pattern when we haven't set new highs. So until that happens, and like on volume, all this stuff, that this would be the upcoming head. The previous one was the shoulder. Next one would be the shoulder. Then it tanks.
Okay.
I don't know how technical analyst does for crypto because I've never looked at it.
Yeah, go check out that Patrick Weiland's channel or whatever. He's a crypto like trader. Well, trades a lot of things, but crypto in particular is one of the things he trades. So yeah, there you go. Here's the news headline.
Yeah, this is a pretty big deal. Okay, so the first Bitcoin futures ETF from ProShares. This is weird. The SEC actually didn't approve it.
Mm-hmm.
But they didn't say that they're not gonna do anything. So they're like almost like they hate that this is a thing, but they're almost coming to acceptance.
Yeah,
kind of like me. So basically, because the announcement, everyone's saying that they most likely won't block it either. The ticker is going to be BITO. The proposed date for the listing is tomorrow, actually, 10/18/2021. But it's most likely going to be available for trading later. This ETF is only for futures. It is not spot market, and more ETFs by Invesco and Valkyrie are on the way. So first ETF for crypto.
Yeah. The real question to me is it optionable?
I would assume so. Yeah. Now you can do options on an already highly levered, asset.
Perfect. That sounds fantastic. Like, great idea.
Although I will say,
oh well.
I texted you. I saw a meme that I thought was hilarious because, the SEC will be like, no, you can't have Bitcoin futures. Sure, you can have a 3 times leverage ETF based on volatility. Sure, whatever. That's fine.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It's a little bit ridiculous.
Pretty ridiculous. Yeah, exactly. What they decide is acceptable or not.
So Bitcoin, there's where we did hit 62. That's the current price right now. You just roll through these. I'm just showing the prices and the percent mainly. 950% Ethereum, and it's actually down over the last 6 months, but because the year creates a time frame of before this existed or whatever, or before it was popular. 9,000%, wild,
insane.
I just truly don't understand.
I understand nothing.
Very accurate.
I love it. It's like funny to me. So like, I have a Coinbase account, and at one point I mined a little bit of Ethereum, and I got like a little deposit from NiceHash, and it was like $26 worth. I was like, whatever. I just like threw it into the Coinbase account and like completely forgot about it for like 2 years. And it was interesting. The $26, which basically would have bought you a pizza, right, is now worth like $120. Still a very, very small amount of money, but it's amazing to watch something like 5x. So I get why people are like absolutely in love with crypto. Like, just watch something 5x.
It's wild, but here's my question. Clearly, I'm admitting that maybe I'm on the wrong side of this. I still don't want to invest in it. I don't like it. Yeah. But at what point does this cycle end? So people will come up with a coin that has no value, a quadrillion whatever coins, absolutely worthless, can never be used, and then people will triple, quadruple, 5x its value in a week.
Yeah.
So it's like at one point, I guarantee you, if we created a coin, it'll do something for a day. It'll tank, but it'll go up for a day or something. So like at what point Bitcoin, Ethereum have value? Like Ethereum has the whole blockchain where NFTs are based off of all their stuff, but
Yeah.
like 90% of these coins are crap.
No, completely understood. Yeah, I mean, you know, I have mixed emotions about it because, like, you know, I try to be like a value investor where I look at the business fundamentals, and there are like no business fundamentals for a lot of these cryptocurrencies. They simply are traded on like that greater fool theory where it's, you know, it's only worth what someone else is willing to give you for it, which is true for a lot of things, but in particular, it's tied to there's no like definitive underlying thing that moves it along, right? It's not a business that's making money and compounding kind of investment for you. So I struggle with that, but I don't think it's unreasonable to put a small amount of your like net worth into, you know, kind of diversified asset classes. Like it's okay, you know, just know your risk tolerance and stuff like that. You know, I've heard people say like, oh, 1% or something like that should be in cryptocurrency, which is reasonable. You know,
1% is reasonable.
Is like, you know, you can blow that on like extra guacamole at Chipotle. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, it depends on what your 1% is, but 1% is that's fair.
Yeah, but I mean, knowing that 25% or more by 47% of, you know, millennial millionaires is kind of a little scary. That's
it's wild. That number was shocking to me. Yeah,
likewise. All right, well, you know, let us know what you guys think about crypto. Always love to hear another opinion.
Yeah, I can't wait for the comments to be like, you were wrong, and be like, yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
For now.
Yeah. We named this channel appropriately.
To be clear, yes.
Exactly. All right, let's catch you guys in the next one.
Have a good one.